Guys, on today's video, I will show you how to select teams, how to get odds, how to pick teams, how to do analysis about teams before start betting. If you are new and you don't know how to bet, then this video is for you. This is what I normally do to my teams before I choose to bet on them. It's easy and simple. Just follow me, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, comment, and share for others to learn, so that all of us can win together. So the app that we use, the Sofascore app. This is the Sofascore app. So when you tap on it, it will open like this. This is the front page. We have they have matches, their legs, euros. That's what we are playing now. Favorite and my profile. So this is the page. What we are coming to use, the option that we use is the my profile option. So this is my profile. So when you open the app, then you tap on my profile option. You can get it from Play Store. So you can get the Sofascore app from Play Store. It's very simple and easy. They have so many options that you can learn to start betting. It's easy. So here we take the drop-in odds option. So this is the drop-in odds option. When you tap on the drop-in odds option, they have so many options, but today I will teach you only two. So we move on to trending odds. So this is the trending odds. Trending odds is like they do the analysis, their performance, their research, then they pick teams every day. They pick team that is likely to win. That's what Sofascore always do. They pick teams that is likely to win for every day. Yes, so they pick teams. So this is the team that they are picked for today, that they can they can even do it for about 2 days or 3 days. Then when you can come and select teams. But here, when you are selecting the teams that they have picked, don't do it always as they have done it over here. No, you can do small changes about the teams after the research. So here they pick home team to win, away team win, home team win, home team win. They pick the home team win. They pick the home team win. As you can see, win, win, win. So here, when you come after doing your research and everything, you can go for double chance. But meanwhile, they said is the home team can win. But you can also say that goals can come into the game. Then you can do small changes. Don't go straight and don't pick all the teams that they are picked for you. No, do small changes about the teams. Here, when I come, I normally pick maybe 2 or 4 games from their selection after every research that I did about my teams. So don't pick all the teams. Do small research and you can also do small changes. So the first team is Brazil League. So Serie B. That's Brazil Serie B. They are saying that CRB versus Brusque. So they pick CRB to win. That's 1.61 odds. Let's read. So when the odds are 1.61, the expected chance of winning is 62%. So they are saying that when they giving an odds like 1.61 for the CRB, the expected chance is not likely that they will win. That's what expected. So the expected chance of winning is 62%. So they can win the game, but it's not 100% guaranteed that they will win. So they expected the team to win when they giving this odds. So the expected chance that they can win is 61%, which is about 50%. So it's likely that the team can win, but it's not so that easy for them to win. That's what they are saying. But this team actually wins 92 matches with this odds. So when 1.6 odds is given to the home team, and when 1.61 odds is given to the home team, 92% matches with this odds, they normally win. 92%. When they giving us 1.61, 92 of their matches with that odds, they normally win. So it's easy that this team can win. But probably that this team can win is also at 62%. So you can go for double chance or go for the home team. So then this is the option. So when they attach the yellow sign, it means that the team that they have attached the yellow sign to it is likely that the team can score a goal. So here they have two options. Either the home team will score a goal or the home team will have to win. So here, to be in a safe side, you can go for over 1.5 or double chance for the what? For the home team. Not always that when they attach the yellow sign, it means that the home team will score. No. They can score, but sometimes they won't score. That's the first option that they choose. So they choose the home team to win. Then here they choose the away team to win. That's Kazakhstan Premier League. So they are saying that the away team will win. But probability that the away team will win is what? 51%. So here you can go for double chance. You can choose to go for double chance. But 80% with these matches, when they have this odds, they win. So 80% of their matches with this odds, 1.95 odds, they have win it. So here you can go for double chance or go for the away team to be in a safe side. Then you can pick. If you don't like it, then you leave that game. Then you go for the next one, which is Norway second division. So they are saying that the home team will win. So 90% of their matches with this odds, they have win it. 90% of their matches with this odds, 1.53 odds, they have win it. But probability that they can win is what? 65%. Against this team. Probability that they can win against this team is what? 65%. So here you can choose for double chance over 1.5 or home goal, but it's not likely that they can win. It's probability, so it can happen, but it cannot happen. So when you are choosing, choose wisely. Then the same thing, you can do the same thing for the what? For the rest of the teams. Here, that's Gambia League. They are saying that the home team will to win. That is the Malan. So 1.5 odds. But probably that the Malan can win with this odds is what? 67%. But 83 matches with this odds, they have to win. And they are bringing the yellow sign here. It shows that they can what? They can win. They can score a goal. They can score, but not always that when they attach the yellow sign, it means that the team will win. By all means, no. It doesn't happen like that. No. So when you are choosing, choose wisely. Do your research very well before you choose this. So when you come to, don't pick many teams. Pick small teams. Then you bet on it. So that you can be in the safest side. So that's the trending odds that I have explained to you. So then the next one is high value strike. Then let's move on to the top head-to-head. Top head-to-head. Here is the top head-to-head. This option, it shows that when two teams are playing, they will bring team that have won so many matches against the team that has not win so many matches. So here you can see Netherlands versus Romania. Netherlands has win 6 matches. They have played 1 draw. Then Romania have won only 1. So here you can choose. You can say that it's likely that Netherlands want to win per their head-to-head. So here this head-to-head. So if you want to use the head-to-head to bet, you can come to this option, that's the top head-to-head. So Romania, only 1 win they have get it from Netherlands. So you can choose here. You can go straight win for Netherlands, or you can go double chance for Netherlands, because it's likely that Netherlands want to win this game, but it's not easy for Romania to win. Anything can happen, but it's not easy. Then we have Ike versus PTA. I think this one is a female football game. So it's female football game. So 12 wins for PTA, then Ike 5 wins. So here you can go for, as you can see, they haven't played a draw. So you can choose the option any team can win. So here you can choose any team can win, because they, out of almost 17 matches they played, no draw. So you can choose any team can win for this game. Then the same thing here, 14 wins for El Ali, then Talas El Gas, only 2 win, then 4 draw. So you can go straight win for El Ali. That is easy. Then Corinthians, straight win for Corinthians, because 14. This is their female game. That's why they add FF in the bracket. So it's a female football games. So that's how it is. Then we have Bretaline Greens. You can go straight win for Bretaline Greens. Santos Line wins. You can also go straight win for Santos, or double chance for Santos. That's how it is. You can go through, then you pick the one that is easy for you to win. So here we have Brazil, so playing Colombia. We have Panama. We have so many teams are over here. So you can just come, then you pick the normal team that you trust after doing your research and everything, then you bet on it. It's easy and simple. Here they have done every research about the teams already, so you don't need to go and do more research about the teams. All you have to do is just do small research. Then you pick the one that you trust, then you do small changes. Either you go win. When they say win, you can go for goals. When they say goals, you can go for double chance. So this is what you do about it. Then you just bet on it. Then don't pick many teams. Just pick 3 or 4 or 5 teams. Then you bet. You can pick 2 from here. Then you go to the other side. Then you pick 2 from there. Then you add it 4 teams. Then you bet. When you do this every day, you win. But that's what I normally do. I mean, but don't come and select all the teams that they have done the analysis, doing research, and say that this is the team that probably that they win. No, it's not 100% guarantee. Things can change. Things can happen. It's a game. It's a betting. So don't pick all the teams. Just pick the one you trust. Then you bet on it. Then you can win something. So that's how it works. That's how I normally select my teams. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. Turn on your notification bell so that when I drop any video, you get it first. Yeah.